Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote
And Matt Cote.
here with another Marketing Minute. So I'm going to start with more of a recommendation and an encouragement for every business, no matter if you're a local business or not, to claim your profile in Google My Business. If you go to google.com/business, you can add your address, your information, and then verify it. The reason being is that when someone Googles your company name, typically Google will dedicate the whole sidebar to the information you add to Google My Business. So it really enables you to protect and control your brand when someone's searching for your company. That's it.
That's interesting. All right. My Marketing Minute, we've done videos before about including a bookmark or including some sort of supporters card. But we've recently done a package for Visiting Nurse Service of New York where we included a mouse pad. It's got a picture window, which we've talked about before, doing custom window. So the mouse pad actually shows through. And then this mouse pad is pretty cool because it's got a pocket for putting a picture. And then you can also customize. This actually had a letter that was personalized to the person, and it's branded for the actual organization. So try to think beyond just a simple bookmark or card or some other simple device and put something like a mouse pad in there. So that's my tip.
Excellent. So that's it for today. If you want to receive updates when we publish new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.